Welcome back to the channel, guys. Before this video starts, I kind of want to give back to the people that are supporting me by watching the videos. This is the sponsor of the video, Finishing Lines, and I bought this t-shirt specifically to give to one of you guys. I'll ship it anywhere in the United States. All you have to do is show the support back. Go follow me on Instagram. I'll leave it in the comment section, my username on the comment section, description box. Plus, I'll put a little photo somewhere here. And go follow Finishing Lines on Instagram and tag me on their latest post. Tag me or comment Irving from YouTube brought me here. That's all you have to do. And on Friday, today's Saturday, on Friday I'll draw everybody's name in a hat. I'll put everybody's name in a hat. Whoever I pick, I'll ship it anywhere for you, because I want to show support to the people that are supporting this small channel. And I know this build is taking really long, but when I started, I never knew I would have. I have roughly around $10,000 into this car right now, and it doesn't even run yet. So, and I need probably, I would say, another $2,000 because I went overboard. Okay? And I'm sorry this build is taking so long, but for the ones that are sticking along and still showing support, I want to give something back. So all you have to do is follow Finishing Lines on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, and tag me on your latest photo and put Irving from YouTube brought me here. That's all you have to do. It's probably take you less than 10 seconds, and it would really make my day. So thank you guys again for showing the support, and let's start the video. Before we start the video, I would love for you guys to check out this company, finishing-lines.com. They're sponsoring this video with a clutch line, and I'm very thankful that a big company like this is even supporting a small channel like mine. If you guys need anything for your Civic or Honda related vehicle, anything from brake lines to a clutch line, check these guys out. Their prices are most of their prices are under $100. They're cheaper than eBay. Plus, if you use my promo code, they gave me a promo code for you guys, you also get free shipping. If you guys don't need anything for your Civic but still want to support the channel, you can also buy a t-shirt. They have a really cool Integra t-shirt for $25. It comes out to $33 with shipping, but if you use my promo code, you get it for $25. So it's a steal. You get a really cool shirt, you support this channel, and you support them. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Before we get started, I just want you guys to know this is not going to be a normal video. This is more of a tutorial video. Usually my videos are vlog style. This is a tutorial on how to install a finishing line clutch line. As you can see by my engine bay right now, it's very ugly all over the place, and I want to start making it more simplistic, starting with the clutch line. This clutch line is very bad because it splits into two multiple parts. It's very long, and I feel like it's very unnecessary. You could make it way more simplistic, and that's why I decided to go with the finishing line clutch line. Not only is it one single line, it's also the proper length for this swap. So I'm going to be getting rid of all this, and you won't be able to see it. So I want to show you a before, and then I'll show you an after. Quick little overview of the two different lines. The one on the bottom is actually the stock one, and I was wrong. It's not two parts, it's actually three parts. It's one, it stops here, becomes the rubber one, and then stops here and becomes a third one. So three lines, two hard lines, one rubber line, just for the clutch. And if we look at the finishing line clutch line, that's one single line. Looks so much cleaner. It's a tuck line. You're not going to be able to see it. Plus, it cleans the engine bay quite a bit, so it looks a lot better in my opinion. So now we're going to install this bad boy on, and we'll show you the finishing results. Wherever you want it, and then tighten it.
your camera, so. Dude, no air came out. Holy shit. Pump it.